hablaba otra vez de mi primera vez que voy a jugar esto. Jugué con el rol de Alemania la vez pasada, pero esta vez quiero otro país. La Gran Bretaña me parece bien.
The year is 1942. More and more countries are becoming gears in the marching war machine. RAF High Command has established a new top-secret squadron for the most dangerous and special tasks. The new squadron leader is heading to the base to take command of this unit.
Pilot, do you copy? I copy. Go ahead. We have a situation here. Several enemy fighters have been spotted south of your position. You are our only operational fighter right now. You have to eliminate them before they can cause any serious damage. Roger that, Commander. I'm on it.
Este motor está raro, ni siquiera funciona.
I have it.
¡No!
Copy.
¡Por
Lots
Dios!
of smoke coming out.
Hicieron demasiado daño, men.
I'm closing in for the shot. Target down.
Y eso que son cuatro.
Enemy fighters approaching. Watch your six.
Tengo demasiados reflejos. Me la calabamos mucho.
I have it.
Porque se me acabaron.
I got him. Enemy locked on. Fighter down. Objective completed. One step closer to victory. Target is secure. Mission complete.
Cerrar, aplasto esto. Voy a comenzar. Ah,
I hope that you feel the controls of the bomber are as good as on the fighter. Now gently guide the plane over a target and order the crew to drop the bombs. And of course, enjoy the view.
¿sí? La ciudad se ve bien.
Bomb away! No more fuel for them.
Ahora tengo que esperar. Volver otra vez. Está medio aburrido eso. Yo vine para destruir avioncitos.
Dropping bomb! I got it! Bomb away! Dropping bomb! Fuel tank destroyed! Dropping bomb! Objective completed! One step closer to victory! All targets destroyed!
Voy a estar dando el tutorial. Voy a cerrar.
Flight leader, prepare to receive your orders. Destroy anti-aircraft artillery. Engage all enemy fighters. Teach the enemy a lesson they will never forget, boys. We're on it. Standing by for orders. Awaiting orders. Copy that, sir. I'm closing in for the shot. Confirmed kill on enemy fighter. Enemy locked on. Target down. I have a visual on enemy fighters. Enemy locked on. I got him. Enemy locked on. Reported. Enemy fighters approaching. Watch your six. Enemy locked on.
¿Por qué tengo que esa motor? Encima ya le dañaron XD.
Bomb away! Nice work. That artillery is no more. Dropping bombs. Yes, target down. Objective completed. That was the last one. Good job.
Otra vez tutorial, ya muchos ya se están pasando. Siento que no me dejan jugar a mí. Mejor la ofensiva. Oh no.
Solo flight? That's bold. Stand by for orders. You have to defend our flak around the town. You have to focus your fire on enemy bombers. Destroy all enemy fighters. You're the best we've got. We know you can handle it. Godspeed. Order received. Got him in sight. He's going down in flames. I have him. I'm closing in for the shot.
Están disparando. Están
I have him. One kill. Bomber out of action. Good kill. Enemy fighter going down in flames.
Quería destruir avioncitos.
I'm on him.
Un bombardero.
Put him in sight. That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter. I'm closing in for the shot.
¡Ah!
Bomber destroyed. Enemy bombers approaching. Watch out for their guns.
Ay, se me escapa.
Got him in sight. That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter. We've got incoming enemy fighters. Get ready. Got him in sight.
Estúpidas.
Bomber down.
Vamos,
Get
vamos,
off
vamos.
me. I'm on him. Man is down. Objective completed.
Estaba por eso.
Watch your six. I'm on him. Good kill. Enemy fighter going down in flames. Enemy locked on. He fought it. I'm closing in for the shot.
Está bien, súper lento. Se me la dio.
I'm on him.
Se me la dio.
That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter. Enemy fighters approaching. Watch your six. I'm on him. Good kill. Enemy fighter going down in flames. I'm on him. Target down. Enemy locked on. Fighter down. Mission objective achieved. Flight leader to command. Target is safe.
Siento que no va a tener. Estoy vigilado. Bueno, ya no me sale el tutorial, pero ya me aburrí por el tutorial. Y encima por el avioncito bombardero que no me dejaba hacer nada. Me demoré como un siglo en acabar la misión.